Hi, I'm Patty Phillips, and I'm the lead faculty for the Air Traffic Control program at Ames Community College. In this program, you will start out in your traditional classroom setting where you will be taught about air traffic control, you will be taught about the language that is spoken for air traffic control, and about the rules that air traffic controllers need to do their job. Most people, when they think of a career in aviation, they're going for pilots, maybe airline mechanic. If you're interested in aviation, if you have a passion for aviation, you have to consider air traffic control. You have to give it a chance. In your second, third, and fourth semesters here, you will actually be in lab classes such as the one that we're in now. You will be sitting at the controls. You will be the one that is making it happen.
Brickyard 1102, Academy Tower, runway 28 right, cleared to land.
I have hand-selected the faculty. I know what they can do, and I picked the best of the best. Every one of us is a retired air traffic controller that spent years in the field doing this job. You will not be able to find the caliber of faculty that we have here at the college anywhere else. Our ratio of faculty to students is generally one faculty for every 2 students. If you need extra help, if you're struggling in an area, they will work with a student above and beyond to make sure that they're successful and they excel in the program. I am not going to kid you. It is challenging. I personally love challenging. I love to look forward to almost solving a puzzle that maybe not everyone can solve. It's going to take work, it's going to take commitment, but what you'll get back from it is like nothing else I could describe to you. If a career in air traffic control connects with you, come to the college, talk to our faculty, see our amazing state-of-the-art equipment, and learn how Ames Community College can set you on the right path for a career as an air traffic controller.